This is royalty-free music, right?
It's called fun. No files royalty.
Hey guys, I'm Terrence, your computer concierge with Computers Plus here in Acworth, Georgia, 3330 Cobb Parkway, Suite 155 in Acworth, Georgia. And reminding everybody of our second location at 3473 Cherokee. I almost forgot, Kat. 3473 Cherokee Street in Kennesaw, Georgia. Other locations in Acworth. I'm in Acworth. We got one in Kennesaw. Carsville, we're coming back to you guys. I want to remind, Cassie is a little bit late in the day, but I still want to remind everybody of Women Wednesday. What is Women Wednesday, Kat? I'll tell you. She's writing something. Women Wednesday is a day that we give appreciation to women out there, and we give them 10% off any service or any products. So if you're a woman or a husband of a woman and you're dropping her laptop off for her, that doesn't count?
No.
So the woman has to come in.
Yes.
Okay, sorry. So you got to come in and say, I'm here for Women Wednesday, and then we give you 10% off any service or any products. Hey, my niece is in town from New Mexico. Sure, I can hear. Say hi, Madison. Hi. Hey, she's here from New Mexico, so we got some family. I bet you guys got family in from all parts of the country that are coming to spend time with you. Hey, take this time to just have a great time and spend time with family because life is so short and we never know what's going to happen. But on that note, I do know what's going to happen, and that's our great discount we have for our Apple computers. It's buy one, get one free, Cat, for Apple.
Till the 17th.
Buy one, get one free.
Till the 17th.
Okay, buy one.
Wait. No. Buy one, get one half off.
Oh, okay,
Why did
sorry.
you say buy one,
I thought you said buy one,
free?
get free. Okay, well.
I was like, yeah,
you ruined it for everybody.
The free part, no.
You ruined it for everybody. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. So it's buy one, get one half off of any Apple devices.
We don't give one for free.
We don't give them free?
No
BOGO?
No, they get it half off.
Well, how do we get a BOGO?
No.
No BOGO.
No BOGOs.
Okay, so
We are not public.
So you buy one, you get one half off. We're also giving $100 off
Till the 17th.
till the 17th of July or June.
June.
You know I don't remember all these things.
Obviously.
So till June 17th, buy one, get one half off any Apple products, and buy one and you get $100. Okay, so thank you. She's throwing things at me. So that buy one, get one half off. Full price on the first one, half off on the second one. So that's like we have like a 2019, 2020 MacBook Pro going for like what 900, 200, like not 200, like not 200. Don't say where's that laptop that Tara said for 200? I want it. We got some laptops for 200 that are Apple. They're the actual Airs. So you can literally buy one Apple computer for like $600. I don't know, and then buy the Air for like half. And we got Airs for like $199, $299. They're like ridiculous prices out there for Apple right now. So it's a great time for you guys. Kat's like pulling her hair out of her head. So just want to let you guys know that I probably this will probably be my last podcast that I do. Okay, just joking. We are giving $100 off any Windows product, right? So we got Surfaces for like we got Surface 3, 4, 5, 6 Pros. We got some great products. I think we got gaming. Do we have any more gaming PCs? Are we building some more?
Two.
We got two more. I know we got some.
Those are the budget ones.
And those are the budget ones. Those are going for like the $300 to $400 range. If you're looking for those graphic cards for that gaming PC that you want to build, we got some 3090s in stock. So great deal off those. Some other peripherals and some all-in-ones. All-in-ones. All-in-ones are great. I like all-in-ones because why? They reduce space and they make things look a little bit more cleaner than for some offices out there. They want just an all-in-one nice big monitor. I think we got some 24 inches, some 22-inch all-in-ones. You guys definitely check that out. We got some i7s, some i5s running Windows 11 or Windows 10, just depending on what flavor you want to run. I put a little post out there about different flavors of OSs. And one was how different Windows happens to put like every other operating system is like good and bad. So you got like XP, which was great, Vista, which was, oh my gosh, cumbersome. 7, which was at the beginning didn't start off so well, and then it just came out really good. And then 10 is awesome. 11, the jury is still out. And then now they got 12 going on, Madison.
I got a bag. I can
Madison.
over it.
She's looking at me. She's like, "Don't put me on TV. Don't put me." I was just talking about. Here, you want me to go back there? Okay. Say hi. Okay. All right. So she's hanging out here with me here at Computers Plus. She's gonna be hanging out with me for like the whole couple weeks. So if you guys happen to come in and see me, make sure you will see her hanging out with us with the Computers Plus crew. So I talked about Women Wednesday, and that's super important. We'll also remind people of Fridays, and that's free diagnostic Fridays. And on that day, we can diagnose your desktop or your laptop or your tablet at no charge. That's like a $45 to $65 value that we diagnose your product and let you know, is it worth fixing or is it not worth fixing? And that's really important, especially in these days and times with the inflation, the economy, everything's just going crazy right now. I'm praying for this nation, praying for this country, and please do it as well. So, we're looking at the whole scale, looking at the whole picture, and we tell you, hey, is it worth fixing or is it not worth fixing? And that's part of our diagnostic that we do to every computer that comes in here. What else am I missing? We're having a little technical difficulties. I'm abusing my niece. Okay. If you guys have any questions, please make sure you guys drop a comment, share it with a friend, and just let them know that security for antivirus is super important. A lot of things are coming through with AI now. And with one actual scam with AI, it was not with AI, but with the technology that is coming around now, they're actually finding ways how they can scrub for your debit card through your system. And I know they have changed since. They've changed a lot of encryption, but a lot of people are still on those older softwares, and maybe sometimes people don't update. That's a really scary thing because we use our debit cards and our credit cards for everything when we type online. So I'm hoping Windows and Apple and all the developers, engineers get better at that as far as how to protect you, because paying online became really essential during like the pandemic. And if you were living during the pandemic and you're here now, because if you are here now, that means you're living. It was definitely a tough time for this country. And people had to make adjustments with doing online schooling, doing meetings, going to work. The offices were closed. That put a lot of damper on just being able to develop technology because everybody was social distancing. No one was coming to work. So the hackers kind of got a jump on it. But we're slowly catching up. I know one thing that we do is we check in with you guys all the time. I always send emails to my customers and say, hey, tell me what's going on. I know I fixed your computer a couple months ago, but is there anything that you notice? Is there anything fishy going on? Give me a call. I helped a lady yesterday. She called in under our membership program, and she said, Terrence, it doesn't look right. The color of my screen looks this way, and this happened. And the first thing I said, did anyone call you? Did you let anyone in your computer? She goes, no, I didn't, Terrence, because I listen to you and all your podcasts. Never let anyone in your computer that you haven't seen them face to face. That's it. That's the rule. If I don't know what you look like face to face, you're not getting into my computer. And if you're not in the States, you're not getting into my computer, because hacking and scamming happens a lot overseas, and they're doing so many things now and creating so many different obstacles, and we're here for you guys, going to stay ahead of the game and making sure we keep you guys safe. So, hey, thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Terrence, your computer concierge with Computers Plus. Reminding you of our two great locations. Also reminding you guys of our rent-to-own program. You can get more information on our rent-to-own program on our website at www.computersplususa.com. Click purchase options and get started today. We'll see you guys soon.